Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cartoon video edit introduction on CapCut PC. It's pretty simple actually. You're just going to select your video and you're going to basically go to the part of your video that you want to freeze frame. So maybe here I'm just going to freeze frame it and I'm just going to delete the rest. Select your video, go to cutout and select auto cutout and put it on the second track. Add in like any cartoon background that you want, and then from here you're going to add in a bit of keyframes. So add a keyframe at the beginning and zoom it in just a little bit. And you can also add in like a text if you want to, like a cartoon like text. I think they have it somewhere in text templates. Oopsies. Like this one, maybe. Cool. You can also edit the text here. And I want like a blue color. Okay, I'm just going to use this one. Then I'm also going to keyframe the text a little bit. So can I do that here? Okay, right click, create Kanban clip, add a keyframe here, and then here I'm going to zoom in as well, the same as the image. And then you're just going to go to video transitions and you're going to add in like a flash video transition here. Trying to find the one that, hold on, flash. We're just going to add in the flashes one. Okay, maybe I think it's this one. 0.3x speed. Okay, that's good enough, but it's better if you have like the flashes one, which I can't find. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!